highs in the upper 30s.
A dense fog advisory has
At
just
5
been
p.m. in Lincoln, it was clear. The temperature was 31 degrees, the dew point 24, and the relative humidity 75%. The wind was southeast at 6 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 25. The pressure was 29.98 inches and falling. Across eastern Nebraska, at Fremont, fog was reported with a temperature of 26. It was clear with a temperature of 36 at Beatrice, 32 at Nebraska City, and 24 at Plattsmouth. Under clear skies, Grand Island reported 38, Columbus reported 31, and Norfolk reported 30. At Omaha, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 24. Here are some observations from across the region. It was clear, with a temperature of 28 at Sioux Falls, 42 at Concordia, Kansas, 40 at North Platte, and 42 at Valentine. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 37 at Denver and 38 at Cheyenne. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 26 at Des Moines and 32 at Kansas City. Once again, at 5 p.m. in Lincoln, it was 31 degrees under clear skies. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of southwest Iowa, west central Iowa, east central Nebraska, northeast Nebraska, and southeast Nebraska. For tonight and Sunday, patchy dense fog remains from Sioux City to Ashland, northeast. This includes Valley and Tacoma. Visibilities could be reduced to 1/4 mile at times. Dense freezing fog is expected to redevelop tonight over a wider area of eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday night through Saturday. A weather system could bring a chance of rain and snow to the area on Wednesday. Any snow accumulations appear to remain on the light side. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. Dense fog advisory information for the following counties in Nebraska: Burke, Butler, Cass, Colfax, Cumming, Dodge, Douglas, Gage, Jefferson, Johnson, Lancaster, Nemaha, Odo, Pawnee, Platte, Richardson, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, Seward, Stanton, Thurston, and Washington, and the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Harrison, Mills, Montgomery, Page, Potawatomi, and Shelby. Dense fog advisory in effect from 6 p.m. Saturday until noon Central Standard Time Sunday.
That's a lot.
What? Visibility 1/4 mile or less in dense fog. Where? Portions of east central, northeast, and southeast Nebraska, and southwest and west central Iowa. When? From 6 p.m. Saturday until noon Central Standard Time Sunday. The following impacts are expected: hazardous driving conditions due to low visibility. Slippery roads and bridges are possible as well. If driving, slow down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio Station WXM20 in Lincoln, Nebraska. The current time is 5:18 p.m. Central.
Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share your friends, family members, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.